Hi, welcome. Daniela here, and I want to show you another layout created with the gorgeous April kits. I used the embellishments and also the pretty pattern papers, and then I used the light blue cardstock and one of the papers from the Pocket Life kit, and I worked with this beautiful metal die set, the flower set, and the quilted background die. And well, I want to show you how to create a nice layout by using those metal dies. And I started my page by just adding some orange color drops, and then I wanted to match my picture, so the color is the same color that I have in the picture as well. And then I used the quilted die to cut two of these light blue paper pieces, which I want to use as a background. So if you add these kind of die cut pieces to your project, you gain a lot of dimension, and it also is like a fresh touch to your page. You see, this is just a light and easy way to have some more dimension, and it is in light blue this time, so this is really a soft touch and I like the look a lot. Okay, so let me quickly dry up those color sprinkles, and then I can adhere the picture and the die cut pieces to my white cardstock. And this is the basis of my page. And now I want to work with the flower die. And a fun thing is that this die set coordinates with one of the papers from the April kits. And I am going for a mixture here. I am working with die cut flowers from pattern papers, but also those flowers that come on the papers. So for some I have to build my flowers by adding the big dot here in the middle, and those that I have cut from the pattern paper are already in shape, and I don't need to add a lot. So this is the one that comes in the paper, and here the orange one as well, but this one is cut from one of those pretty papers included in the Pocket Life kit. And here I want to add a pink dot in the middle, and I think that these flowers are quite pretty. So you can fold the petals a bit, so this way you have a lot of dimension on your page. And you see that here on one side I put the flowers on top of the picture, and on the other side they are just shoveled behind the picture. And I think that now I can add some more details here. I fuzzy cut a lot of flowers from one of the pretty pattern papers for my last page, and I have got a lot of them left, so I just add some of those here. I'm going for all the orange and pink ones, and this also adds dimension and a few more details. You see that the picture I'm working with was taken in Austria. We go to Austria once a year, and I really love this place, so I want to add the title "Love This" here, and we have the pretty puffy stickers in the kit, and I also add some of those felt die cut clouds, and yeah, this also adds up to the light um, version I'm going for here. The clouds are a pretty addition to the light blue die cut pieces that I put behind my picture, and here I'm going for some felt clouds on top of those die cut pieces, and yeah, I rearranged them a few times because I wanted them to not be too heavy, so I had to decide which ones to use. And yeah, the clouds are a nice addition to the picture. We have the blue sky and the mountains, and yeah, those clouds are a nice addition here. If you combine different textures like felt and the puffy sticker and the papers, that's always something that creates an interesting look. And now I also want to add some of the other alphabet stickers because I also want to have the name of the place we are staying. So we are staying in a small town or a village in Austria each year, and this is one of my happy places, so I want to add the name of the village here as well. And the little alphabet stickers that we get in this kit are really pretty. They are in a light shade of orange, and yeah, this is something that goes with my color scheme here so well. And yeah, now I only need a few more details. I want to have a little bit of journaling, and then I am going for some further details. So I have to take a look at my sticker sheets and see what I can add. So yeah, I want to have one of those phrase stickers, and then I'll see what else I can add. So I will just have a few more stickers. We have beautiful hearts here on this sticker sheet, so I want to use one of those. And after finishing my video, I also decided to have a few paper stripes at the bottom of the page. So I also added the manufacturer stripes, 3 different ones, 2 in orange colors and 1 in light blue. And yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome and with the end result. And you can see the manufacturer stripes here. And yeah, I think that this is all in all a nice combination of orange and a few spots of a light blue and pink. I hope you liked my way of using those dies and the kit, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.